Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Levoit brand HEPA True Air Purifier and the reset filter alarm, the replace filter alarm is on and you need to reset that filter. So I'm going to show you how to do this. There's actually two ways that this might happen. One is you might change the filter before the alarm comes on, and the other way is that the alarm comes on, you change the filter, and then you want to turn the alarm off. So the alarm won't know that you've changed the filter unless you tell it. So when the alarm is on, all you need to do is come in and press and hold the alarm button for 3 seconds and it will automatically turn it off. Now, if the alarm has not come on yet and you've gone ahead and changed the filter, you can sort of do the same thing. What you'll see is the alarm is not on, it's not lit up. If you go and you press it for 3 seconds, then it will turn on, let go, and then come in and press it again for 3 seconds, and then it will turn off, and that will have indicated to the air purifier that the filter has been reset, so that will actually reset the timer on the filter alarm.